Yeah. All right, guys. Today I got something special for you. I'm installing Crux Linux live, and I'm doing it UEFI mode, and there's a few challenges, to say the least. And so, anyway, let me know if my volume is good. Let me know if, if I need to put my mic a little closer to my mouth or anything like that. I think we're good. So anyway, without further ado, I hope everyone's doing good. Just 1 second here. All right. I am so excited about this live stream. You couldn't possibly imagine. All righty. So here we are. Burp Manager, everyone. You should try it. It's pretty freaking cool. All right. So let's go ahead and get us a new something or another. Okay, that was a little weird. All right. Yeah. Okay. The moment of truth, folks. For real. All right. Okay. I think we're good here, right? Yeah. Um, oh, they don't know Crux Linux. How about this? Um, we'll do that. All right. 192. Give it 8 GB. Don't think I'll need it, but hey, 8 cores is good for me. All right, let's go forward. I'm gonna do 40. And here, okay. Customize configuration before install. We're gonna do UEFI. So here we are. Set I huh. So who's here in the chat? Let me know. Hey Russell, how are you? My #1 fan, guys. So I guess we are about ready. I think we're good here. Let's begin the installation. Yes, I would like to apply them. Awesome. Doing good so far. Wait, what? Why was access denied? This is no good. So, oh, okay. Okay. QEMU, do you think it's going to be that one? No? Oh my god, I can't. This is no good. Let me be able to escape this. This is not good. I'm so bad on my phone. Oh, good. Okay. Uh-oh, come on now. Hmm. There we go. I got it. All right. Figure that out. Okay. Oh, man, that sucks. Let's delete that. All right. Let's try that one more time. That was, uh, why is it like whenever I start something like this, it always ends up bad for me. Like it always starts off kind of bad. All right, let's do this again. All right, maybe I won't choose because I was supposed to be able to do this, and I installed Crux Linux the other day on my laptop here, and so I didn't really have any trouble with it. It was actually surprisingly easy, so I thought it would be surprisingly easy here as well. Let's do 8 cores. Let's do 40. I think we're good. Let's do this. All right. This looks pretty promising. Press image or use. Okay, gotcha. Alrighty. I think we're doing good here. So Russell, how are you doing today? Anyway, how's I hope everyone's doing good. All right. Yeah. I hope everyone's doing good. All right. I'm gonna do something here today. Okay, we're good. All right. Oh, I'm great. All right. So let's see here. All right. This takes a minute, I guess. All right. Ben was supposed to be here. I have a really good video, by the way. I am looking to Ubuntuize Ubuntu. I found kind of an old installation guide of how to remove systemd from Debian. So I'm kind of hoping that works. It's gonna be a little interesting to say the least. Anyway, I'm hoping to figure out how to do that. I might do a live stream just showing, like, just trying, basically trying to do it. All right, so we got a few things we got to do here. So first thing we got to do is list black. Okay, SRO and VDA. Okay, and so we have 40 gigs. So we're gonna go CF disk dev VDA GPT, of course. So honestly, probably buy me a coffee. So Super Chat is great, and don't get me wrong, but they charge me a third of whatever it is I make. Where, like, buy me a coffee, they charge me just a couple of dollars, so it's usually a lot better that way. But I don't complain either way. I'm really happy. All right. All right. Now we gotta go up here. Go. Uh, okay. And now we can quit this block. All right. That looks good. All right. All right. So now what we gotta do is it's actually really simple to do this part. You're going to make a file system table, or yeah, file system. Sorry, and then like you would do vfat fat f32 dev VDA1. Okay, that's actually not a real argument. If I do parted dev VDA. Oh using VDA. I forget how to do this. Is it? How do I let? Oh, and it's not going to. I hate it when it does this. Okay. What? All right, no problem. I think it's. I'll have to figure that one out. Okay. So. Yeah. So the live is marked members. Um. Yeah. So after about 8 hours, I will make it a members only. So like I let people see it for like a couple hours and then it is members only. Yeah, that's true. Oh, my wife wants to come and say hi to everyone.
No, yo quiero saludarlos.
Yeah, come on over. I just said that. All right. So now we should make file system butterfs dev VDA2.
Ay, hola, hola a todos.
And my wife says hi to everyone. All right. And now I think we're good there.
Tienen que aprender español.
Yeah, she says everyone's got to learn Spanish. Okay. All right, so now this one's actually going to be really easy to get going. So now the first one is we got to mount.
¿Cuál fue su respuesta?
I don't know yet. It takes a second. VDA2 NT. Right. Okay. And now we'll just make directory and make it a parent directory, right? So we'll do like mnt. Yeah, that was my problem till I learned Spanish. All right. And then we will mount dev VDA1 mount boot UEFI. Now we should just be able. Okay, so we need to list media. Okay. Okay. Crux. Oh. Crux. I want to see if it's in here. There's nothing there. How about tools? That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, good. We have a handbook. We got the core kernel. I think it's going to be kernel. Wow. Okay. That is an ancient, 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 by the way. That's, oh my God. So I found it. Okay. Okay. That's an ancient kernel there. I am definitely going to probably see here. The Crux. I'm looking for some. Okay, so it might be that root. Oh, okay. Alright. Well, so we gotta find this. Okay. Alright. No problem. We're gonna go find media name Crux tar exe 2 dev null. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Minty. No. Okay. No big deal. It could be run media. So would it be root? Oh, I bet you I know what it is. Because this is the base system, right? So, okay. I did this, like I said, a couple of days ago, and I did it a different way, but I wanted to do this like the right way kind of thing. All right. So we could do mount grep ISO SRO. That's what I thought. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so I guess it isn't automatically mounted. I don't see it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is this. No problem. Make directory p media crux ISO. Oh. So if I can't do, okay, can I do, all right, so if I said, Minty, all right, good. So now we're gonna mount dev SRO to MNT Crux ISO. Okay, so tar mount It says same thing. All right. So it is. All right. No problem. You know. All right. That's going to be fine then. So I'm going to go media. No, we're going to go CD MNT. Oh, I don't think I need it there anymore. So um so now we're gonna go tar, Ceph, media, crux, ISO, UFS, tar. Oh, come on here. Where is it then? Let's take a look. Yeah. So now tar. All right, I think I got it now. Ah. All right, that was. Hope that was it. I just have problems with this, and thank you so much, Russell. I really appreciate it. All right. So let's see here. it was before. Oh boy. Alright, we're gonna have to do this over again. I messed this up big time. And I don't think there is a redo here. Like, I can't. Alright. Yeah, let's redo this real quick. Alright. I promise I will get this. So who's all in the chat? Or in my stream? Anyone? Alright. Ooh. Right. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, let's try to. While we wait, I want to see something here because I'm going off like an old. Let's see here. Oh wow, you can build Crux from source on OSX. Uh-huh. Hmm. This is not what I was looking for. Uh-huh. This is what I was looking for. That looks a little bit better. At this mount SDS. Think directory mount var SD. Okay, I see. Alrighty. So I know there's a couple of people in my chat, I think. Oh, got a few views. Alright. Mm. That's why. Oh, right. Alright. Oh, sorry. I fixed it. Yeah. Alright. All of this new stuff. It's like, okay, good. Sorry about that, Ben. I'm all of this like member stuff is so new to me because I always put the live stream. I basically leave it. I um it's for members, right? Like when I get done streaming it, like 6 or 8 hours, I'll give it to the members. So anyway, very good. So learning new things. Okay, so now we should be good. Oh yeah, absolutely good. Right here. All right, here we are. Welcome. So we should just be able to do. Okay, so what do we got here? Good. So CF disk VD dev PDA. Oh, really? Okay. There's GPT, right? And so we got 40 gigs. Let's do new. I can just do 100 megabytes. UEFI system. Okay. All right. So now I was messing around. I was trying to load the actual ISO and load the base system, but you're supposed to be able to do that. I can't do it. Yeah, that actually would be kind of an easy one, I think. If all right. So now and go make file system be fat 32 dev VDA1. Okay. It's screaming at me, but I don't think this is irrelevant. I think it's BFAT anyway, but it keeps giving me this error, but so far it actually has been doing this. Has been butterfs dev VDA2. All right, now that one does it. Clear. Okay, so now we have a couple of mount points and stuff like that. Okay. So we're going to mount dev VDA2 MNT. Make a parent directory. MNT boot UEFI. Now we should be able to mount VDA1 MNT boot UEFI. And now we should, if I'm not mistaken, there's a couple of things here. So VI mount etc fstab. Oh man, they're not gonna allow me to do that, huh? Okay. Let's do. All right. All right. I actually want. I don't remember how to do all of this. There's one part of it I don't remember. So I'm gonna. Okay, that's perfect. Actually. Um. Okay. Yeah. So I think setup works. Yeah. Yeah. Install. Okay. Yes. No. Okay. So supposedly this is for EFI. Again, I've struggled with this a little bit. So all right. So anyway. Oh, well. Oh, I see it. Okay. Oh, okay. So I guess I can do that. I'm looking at um so I guess that's another option is to install this with Sys Linux for the bootloader for UEFI or Grub. So this is good. I'm just taking a look here. Um, the reason why I'm doing it UEFI is because I mean for those who that don't know, Legacy Boot is not really working on it very good. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. Anyway, so anyway, I think we're good. So I can build a new kernel in here. That's good. I might not do it today, but yeah, I would definitely do like a tutorial on how to do that. I think that would be all right. All right. Anyway, yeah. All right. Yeah. All right, looks good to me. All right. That looks great. All right, I'm happy with that. All right. All right. So let's see here. Clear. Now we are going to just do setup chroot. And basically what it does is it just basically it just mounts a bunch of stuff. All right, so anyway, now that I got that, I should be able to do vim etcf step. Yes, sir. Two. All right, and one. Come down here. So let's go. Let's see here. I just want to see something. Oh, sorry. And my typing is just, oh my God. See here. I'm just gonna do my super complicated password. Okay, so so we're gonna just do cd user. Well, let's cd user receive Linux. Make clean and make more proper. All Alrighty. Alrighty. Make menu big. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Try that again. I forgot to save. Load. Exit. Now we can make all. This will take a while. Okay. So basically that whole thing is basically just hacking your kernel, and you can basically set some things inside your kernel that, and basically, have, basically, give support for different peripheral devices and that sort of thing. Pretty easy. And wow, well, we're gonna be waiting a while here. A long while. Yeah, we're gonna be waiting a long while. I probably should put it closer to my guitar, right? I could learn to play that little. All right. Oh, we got a capo here. Ooh, let's see if I can do that. I wrote this a while ago. Okay, I got it. It's been a while since I played this. Wonder why that chat's not working. Alright, whatever. Still not getting that one chord. Okay, got it. Oh, I'm too tired to play. Oh god, this is taking forever. Look, I'm telling you, it's literally like taking forever. Alright, and I do not know what's up with There we go. I thought it would be there, huh? Uh-oh, we got some ambulances there. I don't know what that's all about. Well, I'll tell you this, this first part is almost like installing Gen 2, let me tell you. Yeah. I don't know. Oh. All right, that's more guitar playing than I've done in a week, so I should play more. I'm actually working on an album. I just haven't been able to work on it lately. This is what I was missing the last week. Huh. All right, so we're about halfway through. I just said make all. But yeah. But we're almost there. Yes, we're a little over halfway. Oh, it's got SE Linux. Wow. No, honestly, like you would, I don't do J1 either. Like if I did it, like you could do something like, for example, you could do make J improc, I think, something like that. That would be really fast. That would basically load. You know, which probably I should have done, but I should have just done make all or make. I didn't see where I could do that, but I'm definitely going to be messing with this a lot more. Oh, snap. I didn't realize that um my Slackware was. Let's see if I can make that run from here. Ooh, did something happen? Because I'll have to fix it later. Because I know. Oh, I didn't. Mm. I'm trying to get my Slackware thing up and going. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. Hmm. Okay. Did my let's see here. Yeah. some reason. Huh. Have to get that back up. Alright. Maybe I can work on something else right now. I was thinking, anyway, that I could do something like I haven't been working on my NeoVim lately. So, if I did like switch, all right, that looks good. Wow. Um, well, I don't have Lewis Snip, do I? Okay, so that's irrelevant. Should get Lewis Snips in there. Okay, so we have WL copy, very good. Node.js. Oh, I don't have tree sitter installed. Many icons that are not installed. Oh. Okay, so we have some overlapping. So let's see here. TMS. There's a few things that I wanted to work on. Mainly, let's see here. Plugin name or repo match name. Actually, you know what? Just do that right now. Alrighty. So we're doing good. I think that's gonna work. Now I should be able to wanted to do something like oh I see. Okay. So hmm. Branch. Okay, let's do that. Okay. All right. Make sure we're. All right, we're getting there. All right. Alright. Pretty sure we're still going on with this, right? Yep. Alright. Alright. So let's look at this. What branch for tree sitter? Mhm. Alright. That takes like forever. Alright. Issues, pull request. Yep. Let's do master. Wow, all of these probably are gonna be master. Wow. Okay. Hmm. Oh, come on. Hmm. Here's a quick fix for this. Oh, come on. Where is it? All right. I'm still learning my way around this. Don't see anything else. Oh, it is. Okay. So everything's in quotations. Okay. Gotcha. All right. There we go. Looks good to me. Good enough for government, right? Been meaning to do some of this, get some of it done. Oh, how's it going? What is Crux and how is it special between other systems? Okay, Mikita, or Trushko. So what is Crux? Crux is just a very minimalist distribution, like Gentoo Linux has its own way of doing things, and it's kind of I like it mainly because it feels a lot like FreeBSD, which I have FreeBSD installed. So, Slackware, FreeBSD, that sort of thing. So anyway, morning to you. Sorry about not getting back to you. I didn't see your message. I was just have to figure out something here. Maybe I can do. All right. So yeah, very much so. Gen 2 and BSD had a hot night. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, very good way to put it, actually. Uh, anyway, this is taking forever. The compilation just takes like that's the only thing that I don't like. It's kind of like, like when you do the um that first installation of the binary in Gen 2, it's kind of like that. No, you could probably use it now. It ain't that complicated. You just it's the thing that's complicated is installing it on real hardware. But that's another issue altogether. But I didn't realize that my Slackware installation or my Slackware server was down. It is what it is. I have a I got a couple really good videos coming out, but well, I think pretty much no one can do that at first. Once you understand what everything is, like if you install Gentoo, you can install this. It's actually kind of easy, but you just a lot of like binary installs and stuff like that. Um, Kind of like it's actually more like Slackware in that. But anyway, it just takes forever. It's the only thing I don't like. It takes like, oh my god, it takes forever. I don't know if I will actually. I might just use it TTY. I think that's a pretty snazzy idea. What do you think, Ben? Should I do a TTY? But I probably will. I'll install like some window manager or something like maybe Spectre might be a good fit maybe with XFCE as an actual desktop environment. I don't DWM. I used to have this installed on my laptop. I used to have Crux installed with DWM. I liked that. People don't usually appreciate that though. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I Gentoo, I've installed it a number of times. A GUI? Oh, you want to see a graphical user interface? Well, we'll see what we can come up with. I don't think it shouldn't be that hard. Just like chmod plus x light dm or something. Yeah. But most of the time that I use it, I'm just going to use it in the TTY. Just like, for example, let me turn on this computer so I can show you some trippy stuff. Like, for example, this will take a second, but think okay, yeah, I'm in my Debian server right here. Goes right into here. I'm giving a tutorial today, probably later tonight. And then I have a really, really I think I'm going to, tear into Red Hat Linux and Wayland a little bit. I found out some really kind of pseudo shady stuff that they're doing. Yeah, window manager like i3. Well, I don't like i3, but I do like Spectre. Spectre WM is a good window manager. I hate i3 with a passion. It's the worst window manager as far as I'm concerned. BSP is pretty close too. It's pretty bad. Actually, I take that back. BSP is great if you're on one monitor. It's horrible if you're on two monitors. i3 is just horrible altogether. I know people disagree with me. I know them are fighting words, but I do say that. Anyway, here's like my Debian server. I haven't set up the actual server, but it's just basically Debian. So like I could do, and here's some of my stuff that I've gotten configured. Like a NeoVim 12.0 dev version. So if you followed here, no, sorry, I can, right here, I'm at NeoVim 11.3. So you can see, oh, it is a very generic window manager on X11. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to tear Red Hat a new one. I found some dishonest crap that they've been doing, and I'm not necessarily on board. And yeah, I gotta call it out. Yeah, I'm all about what do you call it? Like making improvements. Like I like that stuff, but you have to do it the right way. All right, let's see. We might be done. No, nope, not. Okay, we got a couple more. All right, but anyway, yeah. Um, so basically, as I was showing you, though, here, as I was showing you, I'm just in a TTY, and it looks just as sexy as, it looks just as sexy. I mean, seriously, like, do you notice a difference? Because I don't. I'm literally like in a TTY. Like, if I connected my monitor, you would just see me in a TTY here in my Debian. So, I honestly don't see a point in having a bunch of desktop environments, but whatever. I might be able to do it for, And of course, you got to use tmux, right? Yeah. Anyway. All right. And I did want to get some other stuff going here. Now, let's see here. I might be away from my chat a minute. Well, actually, I don't need to be away from my chat, right? If I did this. Perfect. All right. So we did all of we got that. Okay. Um, oh yeah. Work on window managers. Yeah, it really is, but it's without, like right now I'm on what is it, like Plasma, so I don't need a window manager really. Although I'm really hating Plasma 6. Well, probably because of the whaling crap. Anyway, right, okay. Init Lua. Okay, so okay. Hmm. Hmm. I was meaning to do something here, and I had already figured it out. Um, all right, we gotta find this. That's another one I want to set up is NixOS. What do you guys think? current path. All right. I like NixOS. I've used it a few times. It's definitely a challenge. Trying to remember where I put. I had some configurations for this new plugin manager that I wrote, and I'm looking for it. We got that part. Yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with the devs there. They're kind of like the GNOME devs. They're just a bunch of pudwhackers, but I mean, they do good work, unlike GNOME. I don't think GNOME does very good work, in my opinion. The reproducibility and almost literally immortality of system on updates. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see that too. Of course, everybody gets like, I don't know, like they get intimidated too easily. I have a lot of like DevOps engineers and stuff. They won't touch NixOS. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, if you can run if you can run NixOS like competently, like you make so much more money. Like there's companies paying $300,000 a year right now, from what I understand. I mean, give me some of that change, man. I'd only have to work for like 2 years and I could retire for life. I mean, for real. Just do stupid shit like this, make videos. Be freaking awesome. I'm trying to remember. Okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna be figuring out how to de-Ubuntuize Ubuntu. I'm gonna rip system D out of it. I mean, seriously, like it's going to be like it's gonna be so heartless what I do, what I end up doing to Ubuntu. Like people are gonna go, holy mackerel. uh, it might be here. Okay, this is it. Okay, found it. Okay, all right. I'm trying to figure out something. Let's see if we're done. We should be pretty close. Yeah, that's just finishing up. Oh, talking about the Rey de Roma. I'll mess with that in a minute. Alright. Where's my... Somebody's screaming at me. Oh, it's Brody. Never mind. Um, modules. Install. Alright, now we're going to go CP Arch x86 boot PC image boot. So let's see. Map to boot. And all right. So let's do a few more things here. And we'll be almost where am I? All right. So we got that. Let's try it. Okay, we said install target x6 4 UEFI. You know what? I'm just gonna copy and paste thing. I can just do this. Come on. Oh, it won't. I copied it though, but all right, no problem. This is the one thing that took me the longest time to figure out was the UEFI crap. Um, I I would just always opt to install. I would always opt to install. I would always opt to install Legacy Boot on these manual installations. Uh, this. Why is EFI variables not supported if I chose EFI? Oh, wait a minute. I bet you I know. Okay, so I was hoping to do this, but I'm not going to do this all over again. I know, that's not. I did this like last week, and I had no problems with this. All right. I know what I'll do. So, I forget which one is bias boot. That's the root system, right? No. Did I write it? I did good. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's see if we can do make big O root grub grub. Okay, good. Alright. So you mount or min T. Oh no, I gotta do exit. You mount or MNT. Let's see if we got it. It won't be UEFI, but I don't care. I really don't. Oh, here we go. Crux Linux, everyone. Huh. So much for that. I was really wanting to get the UEFI system set up. I'm going to do that at a later date. I'm going to figure out why I won't do that. I'm missing something, and it's something small. Oh. Well. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, well. Oh boy. We gotta do this all over again. Let me see here. Awesome. So I thought for sure if I just okay, so I'm all right. Let's force that off. Okay. Is there some reason why this is not running? All right. Let's do recovery mode. No. All right. So I fucked up somewhere. Damn. All right. Good. All of that for nothing. But I think I figured something out here. I'm going to figure, need to figure something out here. I gotcha. Alright. Oh, I see. Oh, snap. I didn't. Ah. If I already, that's what I did wrong. All right, we're gonna be able to do this. Let's try it again. Um, why would you want to swap? I figured out what my error was. We're gonna do it. All right, it's gonna take a while. All right. How long have I been at this? Okay. I'm gonna get to the partition, take a small break, and then or the whatever. So anyway, very good. I think this is gonna work this time. All right. Sometimes you gotta screw up a couple of times to figure things out. All right, very good. You know, all of this monkeying around on computers, it's a miracle I actually get laid. But I do. wait. Okay. All right. I figured this out. All right. Let's press enter. All right. Let's try this one last time. I think I'm going to get it this time. All right, so now we should be able to do this. I realized what my error was. This is actually going to be really easy. So much for following instructions. The problem is that Crux changes their installation like every time they have an update. The issue was is so before it used to be grub install and then like all the flags and stuff. I just have to tell it where to install it. That was basically the issue. They changed this so like I haven't installed I installed it last week and I had a little bit of trouble with UEFI, but I managed to do it. And so I thought, okay, it'd be a cool video to make because I was kind of struggled with it a little bit, but oh wait, hold on, yes, F32 dev is. Oh wait a minute, hold on. We need to GPT. EFI system. Now we are going to make file system. I'm just going to go with extension 4 right now because I don't even know how long I'm going to have this. Make file system be fat F32 dev VDA1 mount dev VDA2 T make directory P mount boot EFI. Then we'll mount dev VDA1 mount EFI. And now we can do setup. Install. No. No. All right. I'm going to get this now. Okay. Yes. All right. Let me take a quick break. This is going to take about 5 minutes. I'm going to take a quick break and get me a cup of coffee because this is just too much. So I will be back. I promise. All right. All right. Well, it looks like Russell just bought me another 20 cups of coffee. Oh my God, this is insane, man. Thank you, Russell. You didn't have to. You really didn't. But thank you so much. I do appreciate it because, sometimes. All right. So now we are back. Oh, sorry. The ADHD here. Um, so yeah, sometimes, it's nice to be recognized and appreciated for all my hard work. Hey, if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you know the drill. Just, I think it's in my description. If not, it's in my link tree. You can buy me a cup of coffee. It's so appreciated. But again, you don't have to. I do this because I love Linux and open source and development, but dude, when you help me like this, that means that's more stuff that I can do in the future. Like, that's more towards the goal of being able to do this full time. And I'm not that far off, guys. I think another maybe 3 to 6 months, I might be able to do this full time. And so, anyway, I'm not trying to like lay guilt trip on anyone or make them feel like they got to or obligate them. That's totally not it. But thank you, Russell. You are definitely the best. It looks like I got me a mega donor. All right. So, anyway, thank you so much, Russell. All right. Okay. So, this is pretty easy from here on out. All right. And I hope your cup of coffee is as good as mine. Hell, I hope it's better. But since I live in Mexico, I doubt that would be the case. Because coffee in Mexico is just great. People don't understand that Mexico is just the coolest thing ever. Ooh, wow. Let's see if I can change that a little bit. Uh-huh. Let's see, I may not be able to. All right. All right. All right. Just give me a second. I just had to get rid of that like beep, 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 beep. I forget sometimes. All right. There we go. Okay. Does that look good? I think so. Let's see here. Am I synced in? Yes. Okay. Just like to make sure I'm in sync with my voice. Otherwise, it just makes for a very long stream. Okay. So now we're good. We are golden. We are golden. So we are did setup. So let's do setup root. All right, very good. And now we need to do password. My super and complicated password. And then, all right, so now we're going to do bim etsy fstab. BDA 2. Man, I'll tell you, man, I think I'm gonna be able to do this full time very soon. And I don't want to like make a guilt trip or anything like that. I really don't. But I do think that it could happen, and I'm hoping that I'm hoping people will be open to supporting me pretty soon. There's a couple problems that I. Ooh, all right. All right. But I like that. Okay, that'll work. And all right. Huh. Alrighty. Okay. So anyway, we got that out of the way. There go. Crux. Name. Right. And I think we're about done here. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to. I need to get my. Probably should just copy this section. Anyway, Russell, you are such a nice guy. Thank you so much. Honestly, I don't ever expect this kind of support, but thanks. I really appreciate it. User src Linux make clean and make mr proper. This is to make like a new config file and stuff like that, I believe. A, a new .config file. Okay, so anyway, who's still in the chat, man? Like it's like dead. Like it's for real. All right, good. Make menu, and this takes a second. I think I am going to do. Okay. Save. All right. Make J proc. Can I do that? This is a little quicker. Maybe. This looks quicker anyway. Hopefully this will be a little quicker. No problem, Ben. Oh man. Yeah, I just did it actually. Can you see how fast it's moving? Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I didn't realize just yeah. I think it'll take like 5 or 10 minutes now. I thought it used to automatically when I installed it years ago, it used to automatically um, compile it with all cores, but I guess not. But it sure worked this time. Um, is this fast enough for you, Benji? Talk, are you still around? Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, hey Taco, are you there? My friend Isaac should be around here somewhere, but I think he's taking a hiatus or something. Maybe he's at work. Wow. Praise the Lord and pass the biscuits. Saying actually isn't that slow now. Wow. I'm just taking a break here because from my NeoVim configuration. Not that I did a whole lot, but I think it's because I only slept like 5 hours. I'm a little on the tired side. I'm tired. Tired, man. Oof. This is flying compared to what it was like. Ding, 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 ding. Like, it's like, oh, 10 times as fast, I think. I remember even with like all using all your cores the last time, or I mean, a few years ago, it used to take over an hour to install. Maybe not that much. It took a while though. Yeah, I don't remember. I remember it took a while though. It took, and there was a way to bypass this, but I don't remember what it was. Um, but there was a way that you could actually bypass this, like kernel setup, which is actually kind of cool. Actually, I mean, you're set, like you get to really have a lot of control over every aspect, which I think is really cool. But anyway, who's all in the chat, man? Somebody better better say something. I know Ben's with a friend, so I get it. I think I got. All right. See how many